often asked if we do small gardens. People say, I have a small garden and I don't know what to do with it. Well, we do in fact do small gardens, and they're fun to design and implement. There's lots that can be done. Typically, the scale of a small garden lends itself to the development of the space as an outdoor room, so a courtyard effect. Usually, a patio or deck provides the floor, fences, privacy screens, and plants provide the walls, and you can consider having a roof over it in some respect. A small tree can provide some of this effect, or a pergola is a good option. Pergolas give you an open beam area effect that still lets light in, but provides that sense of enclosure when you are down in the backyard. In terms of structures, something like a fireplace is a good option in a small backyard. It gives you warmth, gas or wood-fired depending upon the size of the space. It provides a focal point looking out from the home. It can give wind protection or privacy, and really acts as a draw to bring people out into the space. In a small backyard, a small water feature is an effective element to add to the landscape. Something like a small bubbler rock pondless feature. Low maintenance. Gives you that little bit of sound and motion in the garden. And then capping it off with appropriate plant materials and perhaps outdoor lighting. Lots can be done with a small backyard. Get in contact with us. We'll discuss what you've got, and we'll go from there.
We can't say how pleased we are. We've just gotten every nickel's worth out of this backyard.
Obviously, I'd have no issues at all recommending Peter and his team because they did a great job.
We've been 100% satisfied with every occasion that we've used the landscape artist.
Enjoyable. It was fun. The crews that came and went, they were all a great bunch of people and professional and fun. And
I would have no hesitation recommending the landscape artist to my family and friends. I think that what they did was outstanding. They came in budget and they basically delivered what they promised, so we're very pleased.